was a COO of a supply chain or a vice president of supply chain, I would make decisions that sound a lot like be very cautious in staffing or human capital ads. I'd make sure that the staffing ads that I make are the right ones and only critical and key ones, and make sure that your organization justifies those. Capital outlays, I would replace equipment that absolutely needed to be replaced for quality and safety and other reasons. But I would be very cautious about expansion of equipment to chase higher and higher demand levels, higher and higher service levels. Because again, I think the demand side is going to slow down, and I think the supply side is going to catch up. And then, of course, we're left with, now what do we do? So I'd be very prudent and cautious about some of those decisions. I would look internally, and I would challenge my teams, my sales teams, my planning teams, my operations teams, my engineering and support teams, to find ways to make what they do better today than yesterday. In other words, let's really get rooted in daily performance and execution excellence right now, and focus, because there's no time like right now to be better than at what we're doing. So I think many of those things, I've rambled a little bit there, but cautious, prudent, and look internally at the way you're performing today and make sure it gets better.